Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
Hello, Monsters. You know how it is. You know how we do it. This is a Premier Live musical program on radio. This is a Concert Series only here on The Monster. If you're wondering, why do we have 5 chairs? Yeah, we are live, and I know it's storming out there, but you know our goal is to provide you guys with some entertainment as you drive home, whether it's a flood or the traffic that you guys are going through. This is a Concert Series here on The Monster, and I'm your host, Rico Robles. Joining us tonight are P-Pop Monsters. This is Vision, composed of 5 dynamic artists, C13, Sam, Franz, Vince Enzo, and Patrick. In 2022, Vixen, or make it Vision, released their debut single, The Beast, which marked a significant start for the group's P-Pop journey. That is, its music video hit 1 million views in just under a week. I know 4 months ago we had them on All Out, but they're back to perform more songs for us. And since then, the anticipation for their next releases have been very high, especially to their fans, also known as the Vixies. Did I get it right? All right, cool. And now they got the Vixies up on their feet for their latest drop. Of course, Dapat Lang or Dapat Lang Ako Lang. Or Dapat Lang Ako Lang. Tama? Okay. Dapat Lang Ako Lang. Only me? I think that's what it means in English. They are Cornerstone Artists Entertainment. That is the first official P-pop boy group. And in just a little bit, we're about to catch up with them. That's why there's 5 seats here. None of them will be late. They've been here for about 2 hours already, warming up for you guys. But first, here's our previous guest on Farnak. Here's Andrew Ramos on The Monster.
Monster RX 93.1.
Good looking and they're angry. Hey guys, welcome back.
Woo! Thanks for having us again.
Hey, you know, of course, it's the concert series. You'll be singing some great songs. Introduce yourself so that people could just know who's speaking on the audio when they're listening to the radio. Go ahead.
What's up, Monster RX 93.1, and hello po sa lahat na nakikinig ngayon. In good show, VR Vision! This is C13.
This is Sam.
This is Franz.
This is Vince.
Hi, I'm Patrick.
Woo! Yeah.
Let's go.
They are back. Okay, so you got a new song?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about it.
Yeah, so our new song is called Dapat Lang Ako Lang. It was released like about a month ago, right?
Yeah.
July 4. And yeah, we just released a music video. And sobrang fun lang nung kanta because it's about, being, hungry for reassurance.
Wow, okay.
Yes. Yung kapag meron kang, you're in a relationship, diba? May moments na you need reassurance, you need constant reassurance na parang sasabihin sa'yo na, dapat ako lang, dapat ikaw lang talaga, ganun.
Okay, so alam mo, when you talk about this, I will have a follow-up question. With you guys being busy, being launched, being part of a group. I know you have rules, right? Not allowed to have a, significant other. Not allowed to. But for you guys, where do you get your reassurance from?
Yeah, siguro we get reassurance from our Vixies. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi lagi kaming pag nagkakaroon ng mga like every comeback, laging may mga nagsuswerve ng mga bias, ganun. Pero yung kantan to parang sinasabi din naman na dapat ako lang bias mo. Ganun.
How about the others?
Actually, same lang din. Yung Vixies talaga yung minsan may story dito na naka-live ako na to. Like, sinasabing talaga nila na ikaw lang talaga, Sam. Wala nang swerve. Ikaw lang locked in.
Yes. Parang gusto ka nila.
Swerve? Is it like you got other people you checking out?
Yeah.
Parang gusto ka nila i-gatekeep.
Do they ever fight like amongst your fans? Do they fight against each other? Like this is my bias. It's my bias. You're a swerver. Is it called a swerver? What's it called? Swerving.
Yeah.
Swerve. I mean, in my time, it was used in a different term. I mean, so I mean, does your fans ever fight amongst each other or like compete or battle amongst each other?
I don't think
not really, but they all support us individually, like pantay-pantay lang. So wala naman problem na nag-aaway sila. Pero kami, minsan mahilig kami mang gatekeep na dapat lang ako lang. Ganun.
Celoso. I get it. But for you guys, how many years have you guys been around? I mean, I know we guessed you guys so many times.
Yes. So I think as Vision, we've been around for like almost 4 years or 3 years.
Almost 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Including training.
Including training.
Yeah.
Okay,
Kasama training sa 5.
Pero
Kasama
years
yung
na
training
kami
sa 5.
As a
since
group.
debut.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, when it comes
Gulat na
to
gulat.
debut, is it challenging? Is it only singing, dancing, or do you guys go to the gym together? Do you guys work out? You go on training camps? Ganun ba yun na para bang, all right, fourth quarter of the year, we're gonna have a tour. We're gonna go global. So,
Oh.
may camp ba kayo that you guys are training all together?
Well, yeah, pag part ng training po namin yung conditioning.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, parang after dance rehearsals, we do conditioning
Uh-huh.
and we work out and ayun, parang
Sino yung pinakabatak sa lahat? Yung talagang don't wanna get out of the
Sam.
gym.
Silang
Si
dalawa.
1-3.
Yeah, yeah.
Minsan na to po hindi
Si
natutulog
1-3
si C13. Hindi na siya
Yung
nag-gym.
dalawa.
As in, nag-gym talaga siya araw-araw.
So what you do? What's the workout? What's your PR on the bench press?
Yes,
sir. On the
Yes,
squats, man.
Usually I do like a routine. For example, Monday would be pull day,
Uh-huh.
and then tomorrow would be push day, and then sometimes I would focus on like chest, the pectoral muscles, and then sasabay ko like biceps ganun.
Yeah.
And then pag back, triceps ganun.
Grabe ka
Ah.
na.
No
Yeah.
martial arts, no other.
Si Sam.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Yeah.
Hey, you got a pretty face for a Muay Thai fighter, man. I mean, is it competitive or is it more of
No.
just like a hobby?
It's an outlet for
An
me.
outlet.
So, yeah.
All right. So you have like, I bet you your reels are like, oh, top this. You just
Yeah,
show it.
nah.
Kicking. No. All right, cool. How about the others?
Thai milk tea.
Well, can't let go of the brown sugar. Oh.
Yes. Tiger milk tea, Thai milk tea, guys.
Thai milk tea. Okay. How about you, my man?
I work out with my food. Yeah.
You like to run?
Yeah. No, I like
Food.
Yeah, mukbang.
Mukbang.
It's a workout for me.
Oh, man.
Ako more on cardio po.
Cardio.
Yeah.
You're on your running era.
Yeah.
So that means you're not heartbroken. Diba? Ganun yun. They say you're on your running era.
Yeah.
You're heartbroken. You know what I mean? That's it. They're like, how did he know? They do say that. But what's something that bonds you guys together outside of the music, outside of this group? I mean, if you guys are not working, do you guys hang out together? Do you guys live in the same house, or is it, separate lives and then you just talk on Viber? How does it go?
Yeah, so right now we're not living together anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And to catch up, parang we plan trips, like spontaneous trips. And ayun, dun kami nagka-catch up, dun kami nagbabonding together. And lagi kasi kaming, parang everyday po kaming nasa studio to practice, to rehearse. Pero never kaming parang nagkakaroon ng chance to like talk about life. It's all about work. So in order for us to like catch up when it comes to our personal lives, nagpa-plan din po kami ng spontaneous trips. And yun nga, parang last summer, we went to La Union.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I remember us talking about your LU.
Yes.
Okay. So, but for you guys, if it's like that, kunyari, you guys are bonding within each other, amongst each other. Is there a rule? Bawal cellphone, bawal muna connect, bawal live, ano tayo, guys? Chill lang.
Parang di pa natin.
Bawal.
Mhm.
Hindi kasi kailangan ng content.
Yeah, you gotta have
Still work.
Still works.
Yeah.
Well, in a way, because it's fun. What you
Yeah,
guys do, it's fun. So tonight, what are the songs you're performing? These are all your original songs?
Yes.
Yes. So we just performed our single SSP. It's part of our album 2020, and marami pa kaming i-perform part of our 2020 album, and also our newest single, Sobrang Init and Dapat Lang Ako Lang, our newest single.
Yes, sir.
I'm dreaming that we have wireless, like 10 wireless mics, so you guys could dance for this. I know
Oh.
y'all are killer and you're dancing. But well, I'll talk more of the music in just a bit. But for now, what's the story behind the songs, man? What's the story about Sandal?
Ooh, alright. Sandal is an anthem for everyone na parang
Hindi pinili.
hindi pinili. Oh. Pero parang nag-offer ka pa rin ng masasandalan mo
Yes,
kahit
ng
hindi ka
comfort.
pinili. Yes.
Meron ba sa inyo gano'n? Hindi pinili? I mean, sino ba yung laging sawi sa inyo?
Yung
I'm gonna
nagsusulat
get
po
to know
ng
this
kanta.
story. I'm gonna get to know this. Somebody's on a running era. Is there somebody heartbroken? But we got them live. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free. If you want to comment something on the comment box, or you can message us 0960-1367931. This is a concert series. We have Vision live here on The Monster.
Let's go.
Woo.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Look at all the ladies going crazy. Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's been a journey of what? 5 years. You did mention it's a concert series. For those that are tuning in, we have Vision. They're here with us. They do got the new song that you did get to hear, a couple of new songs. Now, the 5-year journey for you guys. Can you remember when you auditioned? Kung ano yung audition piece ninyo? How did the audition go? If you were to take us back, how many years ago, and then before training and all that. See, I'll start with you, man.
Yun ba yung yung evaluation?
Yung audition talaga yung, hi, my name is...
Kung ano yung naalala mo na pinaka-first.
Di ko inisip.
Iba yun.
Yung first kasi na present ako sa Cornerstone, parang doon nila ako nakita sa TikTok, I think. Then, nung pinapunta ako doon sa CS, parang tinanong ako if sumasayaw ako. So, parang pinanood lang nila yung TikTok ko, ang alam ko eh. Pero, ang pinagawa nila sa akin, parang kumanta ako.
Anong song? Ano nga ulit yun? Yung pang karaoke.
Yung
sige.
hanggang
dito na.
Hindi, yung kay hindi, parang Love Yourself ata yun.
Love Yourself.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun.
Love Yourself, Ed Sheeran?
Justin
Bieber. Yeah, that's written by Ed Sheeran.
Ayun.
Yeah, okay. And then you perform that, and then he looks like an action star in the future. Mga Kiko Estrada, di ba?
Wow.
Oh, kita mo. I mean, okay. How about you, man? How did you audition? What was hello, my name is gonna. If you were to take it back.
Ako po, 4 na po kasi sila nung nag-audition po ako. So parang naghahanap po sila ng parang vocalist. And ako po kasi, I joined many singing contests before. And ayun, parang sabi ko, ay baka ito na yun. Yes. So, pinakanta po nila ako, sabi nila, dapat yung mataas. Ganyan.
So what did you sing?
I sang Zakta Budlos. What?
Bini.
Yeah,
so is it the high part? Sige, go. Give us the audition bit. It's your moment.
Finalseto ko sila.
Yun ba yung time na may rehearsal kami, tapos bigla siyang pumasok.
Tapos
sabi ko, nagpakitang gila siya sa amin.
Nagpabida siya.
Isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Kapalit na buhay ko. Basta yun po.
You stop the traffic right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the audition piece. How about you, man? I feel like you guys got some kind of Bone Thugs and Harmony rap songs going on. So who's like the rapper in the group? All of you guys can rap?
Yes.
Actually, 3 po kami.
On the rapping side?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so did you rap when you auditioned?
Yeah.
What was the song you rapped?
It's a Tagalog.
Which
rap.
one?
Ay, may pagpupulong na naman, bagong papakinggan. Ito.
Go ahead.
It's kinda,
Just no curse words. Ready? Oh.
Basta yun po.
That was a rap song. All right. And then they're like, we want you. You can bring the streets. Like,
Naalala ko pa noon na parang sabi ko sa manager ko noon, nung co-manager ko na siya ngayon, sabi ko, hindi mo naman sinabi sa akin nakakanta ako dito, ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi pinapakanta ako. So yung pinakanta sa akin noon is How Deep Is Your Love.
So you sang it?
Yeah.
How was it? Can you give us a sample of that? I know your
eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And that moment, they said, okay, you're in.
So para ba, he straight up, it's a remix, no? Like, he came in there with a rap song, he ended there with How Deep Is Your Love.
Yes.
Hey, that was cool.
Kay Chuwe.
Yeah, diba? How about you?
Since ako po yung very first member,
You drank milk tea? What is it?
Hindi naman.
That was it.
Pinag-TikTok nila ako.
You were the very first member of the group.
Yeah.
I was with the 2 other guys but hindi sila nakapasok. Tapos, yun, pinag-TikTok ako. Tapos, tsaka pinakanta rin ako. Tapos the next day, parang pinatawag na ako. Tapos, I'm very happy na nakapasok ako sa Vision.
Ano yung TikTok? Just like
Wag
a day that I
Hindi
met
ko na
you.
maalala. Basta may wow yan, wow. Ganun.
So when you were you were the very first one. Did you ever feel like every time may maa-add, tinititika mo siya like, paano kaya kayo magme-mesh ito? May ganun ka ba na parang, ba't kaya siya yung ano? Yung ganun.
Meron, syempre. Like, hindi naman. Kasi yung manager din kasi namin naghahanap daw ng parang sabi, kailangan daw kasing tangkad ko. Parang ganun.
So ikaw yung nag-set ng bar na para bang
Standard.
Standard.
Wow.
Ay, ayun yung like, naririnig
Siya yung
ko lang.
standard.
Pero, ayun.
So ikaw yung Kobe, yung LeBron. Ganun na, no?
Wow.
Ikaw yung Luka. They build the team around. I'm just joking. All right, how about you, man?
Oh, I remember that I had a meeting with Cornerstone at first. And una kasi, ayoko talaga since I had plans to go back to Korea.
Yeah.
And then they were like, oh, we're forming a boy group. Why not check it out and then see what goes after? Tapos, when I went to the studio, I saw the two of them with G22, like practicing all together.
There was those ladies, I guess.
Yeah. And
Alphas,
then I was like, oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
Like, this is before the idea of having a boy group in the Philippines wasn't accepted yet.
Yes, it was.
Tapos sabi ko,
It was not like as competitive as P-pop. It was just more of like, Chawadi Wap group. You know what I mean? It's that kind of thing. A vocal group, okay?
yeah. And then I was like, oh, now that this is happening in the Philippines, why not try it out? So sabi ko, sige, I'll push through. And then they told me to come in tomorrow and start practicing.
So when you practice with them, were they accepting of you?
Yeah, like I remember we got picked up by a van during.
So white
we
van
were
with a
practicing-
tent.
A white van with a tent.
Yeah. Were you
exactly.
nervous?
Not really, but the first person I met was Patrick, and then right off the bat, he was very talkative, and I was like, okay,
this could
he's
work.
a cool person.
Yeah. And now look at you guys. You guys have gone 5 years deep in this, but you do know they do say that in every beginning of a great group, there'll be coming an end, in 20 years. But do you see yourself 20 years?
Oh.
You guys going to be in this group, still doing the dances that y'all... 98 Degrees just made a comeback the other day. For you guys, if you were to last 10, 20 years down the line, how would you guys want to be, leave a legacy in Philippine music?
Buhay pa ba ako nun? Buhay pa ako. And siguro...
Well, after all the milk tea, we'll see. Yeah.
Ayun pa, siguro, for the longest time po na magkakasama kami, we feel like mas mahaba pa yung years na magkakasama pa rin po kami. And kasi we've given a lot of effort, time, and, love din sa group na to. And we don't want it to just go to waste. So we're doing this for us, and we're doing this for our supporters as well. Kasi
Are you guys open to adding another member?
No po.
Ay, given that yun ang question no?
Hindi pa natin yun parang
Hindi pa namin
napag-uusapan.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Like, kunyari, somebody wants to leave the group. Do you stop them? Like, ba't ka aalis, pare? Ba't ka aalis, bro? Ba't ganun? Is there ever that?
Si Enzo. Dapat
alis na siya po.
Ipepala niya dapat yung school.
Mag-showbiz na dapat siya full on.
For school.
School, mag-school. Like, before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, I was, in the business for so long. Joke lang. Hindi, pero I was the very first, parang naghintay pa ako ng mga ilang months para mabuo yung vision. Tapos, feeling ko yung mom ko, nawala ng patience. Tapos gusto na ako pag-school. Tapos, isang araw, pumunta kami sa studio ng manager namin to say goodbye to this
Ingat kayo, guys.
Bye-bye, guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go. And, continue without me. But the next day, parang, nagbago isip ng mom ko na she's very supportive na to what will I do. Basta daw, mahal ko yung ginagawa ko, tsaka support siya.
Let's give a round of applause to the mom.
Wow.
Thank you, Tita.
Each supportive parent out there that's supporting you guys' dreams, all your parents, you know what I mean? That's cool. again. So that's good. How do you convince him to stay? Or what happens when you're like, okay, I'm staying now, guys? Ano ginawa nyo?
Actually, sayang. Di yun po.
That day din siya nakapag,
Next day.
The next day.
Binatukan niya ba siya?
Kasi nung feel po namin 4 na lang kami. Parang sabi, back to square one. Zero na naman. Like, kailangan yung member na naman na may chemistry sa aming 4 na swak sa group. Tapos pag wala siya, yung lahat ng training namin, parang back to zero, kailangan namin ulitin lahat. And parang nung nalaman namin kinabukasan na pumayag na yung supportive na yung mom niya, sabi namin, shucks, okay na. Okay na to, tuloy na to, guys.
Ikaw pa naman yung standard. Kung
You're the LeBron James. You're the Luka, man. You'll leave the group. What's wrong with you, man?
What?
But of course, you guys, I did mention, if you were to win the Grammy major award, what would be your speech?
First of all,
thank you.
Thank you.
Hindi, siguro, pag pananalo po kami ng Grammy, siguro, we would acknowledge everyone who supported us and who helped us throughout our journey here, being Vision. And, of course, sa lahat ng naniniwala sa amin. And we offer that goal, we offer that prize to the P-pop industry, to the Philippines, kasi we want to make the Philippines proud. We want to make the Filipinos proud as well. And lahat ng mga nagsusumikap para itaguyod ang Philippine music.
Anyone can answer this, ano sa tingin nyo kulang pa sa P-pop? For you guys. Anyone? Mo seryosong question.
Support.
Medyo nagulat
Yung support from the locals to accept us. Parang paano ko ba explain yung support?
Support when it comes to siguro yung general public. I mean, we're seeing progress kasi we've seen our brothers and sisters Beanie and SB19 being accepted and being appreciated by a lot of people. But at the same time, we feel like hindi pa masyadong parang super mainstream yung P-pop, and we're doing our best to like push the boundaries and parang give a lot of like music for the general public to appreciate more. And siguro hindi lang doon, siguro yung support when it comes to organizations and yung parang support from those like companies, big companies.
Come out and watch the shows, sponsor the outfits, sponsor the concerts.
I feel like we can push the boundaries even more and like get a quality that is, really like global.
Yeah, for this one. All right, man. Thank you guys for taking time to join us here on the concert series. Lastly, one last one. If you were to have one person to join the group for 1 year, somebody in showbiz, could be a 6th member of Vision, just for the heck of it, sino idadagdag nyo? And who would you want for 1 year?
Local or international?
Local. Like up to you. Local and international. Sige.
Personally, ako feel ko Michael Sager. Kasi same company po kami ni Michael Sager. And we've known a lot. We've known since like we're trainees.
Yeah, pwede.
And ayun, sumasayaw din po si Michael. And I feel like his charm would fit our group. How about you guys? Chris Brown. Chris Brown? Ikaw.
Yeah.
Wait lang, ang hirap nung tanong.
Mas madali pag cornerstone artist. Piolo Pascual. Kuya TJ?
Kuya TJ.
Wow.
For me, si Kuya TJ.
Yeah.
Si TJ Monterde?
Yes.
Lupit sumulat ng kanta yun.
Si Kuya Empoy.
Empoy.
Pwede yun.
For a year, no?
Yeah.
I could imagine your content for 1 year. That would be hilarious.
Ako si Maki po.
Maki.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Great singing.
Si Chewy, yung aso niya po.
Personally kasi gusto ko na talaga yung group ko as it is. So, I need to think.
Si kuya mo na.
Sino?
Si
Kylie Chari.
Oh, pwede.
Yeah. I agree.
Say ng water all day.
Yes, sir.
That's it is. But thank you guys. What's to look forward to? We're what, 3/4 of the year already? Is there more releases? Is there a Christmas album coming out? Or for the Vixies? What's in store for everyone, man?
And we have a lot of contents coming up. Finilm na namin siya in the previous days, so we're very excited to share it to you guys. And please expect a lot more songs to come this year. Yung mga release namin, it's part of a bigger project that is about to come. So, and we're very excited, Vixies.
And you can catch our updates on our social media accounts. It's at VXON Official. Yan, abangan nyo lang yung mga contents na lalabas kasi it's very fun. And alam ko lahat ng mga Vixies were asking for this kind of content. And parang na-miss nila yung ganong content. So, I feel like you're gonna enjoy this. So, abang-abang lang kayo, guys.
Yeah. Also, while waiting, pwede nyo please stream ang aming latest single. It's called Dapat Lang Ako Lang. And also, we want to thank Monster RX 93.1 for having us here and for playing our songs. And lastly, ang CS Music po, our label. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Advice for someone who wants to join the P-pop group and they want to audition. Each and every one of you guys could share an advice. So, what would be it?
Huwag mong subukan. Joke lang. Sa mga aspiring P-pop idols, it's not gonna be easy. It's marami siyang like pagdadaanan, and you need to be patient. You need to be, you need to believe in yourself because yung unang taong susuporta sa pangarap mo is yourself. And when you believe in yourself, you're halfway there. So yeah. And it's not easy. So, dapat strong ka lang lagi.
Yes, just like what Fran said, just to add na parang believe in yourself lang kasi madaming voices na parang magda-doubt sa'yo. So, kasi ma-expose ka sa industry. Syempre, madaming maiinggit, maraming ma-inspire naman. Like, iba-iba yung opinion ng tao. So, just stay true to yourself, and as long as na ginagawa mo yun para sa sarili mo, walang makakahadlang sa'yo.
To add, stay competitive and always be ready for a challenge. Tsaka have the right heart.
I like this guy. He's very Muay Thai, competitive.
Muay Thai.
You know what I mean? right? Action star. Go, action star.
Ako naman po, add lang din sa mga sinabi nila na tanggalin yung mga negative doubts po. Syempre kasi parang yan din yung unang-una magiging kalaban mo. So parang you need to, parang lagi mo rin isipin yung sarili mo. Parang wag ka makinig sa iba. Wag ka makinig.
Do what you love what you do.
Hey, just believe in yourself. I'm not a part of the group. Well, thank you guys. Anything else to look forward to? Greetings for your fans, your Vixies.
1, 2, 3. Hi, Vixies.
Hi, Vixies. Hello, Vixies. Thank you for
watching and supporting us always. We love you.
What's the last song?
Our last song is Dapat Lang Ako Lang. It's our latest single, and it's for our Vixies.
Who wrote it? Who wrote the song?
Me.
And what's the story behind it?
That's yours.
Yeah, so if you want to gatekeep someone and you want reassurance from someone, this song is for you.
All right, we got him live, ladies and gentlemen. One more time. Give it up for Vision.
Woo! Let's go.
Yeah.
The concert series. Live on the Monster.